Namaskar. I am going to teach you the power yoga. That is, in yoga, Surya Namaskar is done with breathe in and breathe out. In the same way, I have modified this karate exercise into power yoga. The restrictions, people underwent major surgery within 1 year, they should not do. Persons having ulcer, they should not do. And ladies during the period of menses and the pregnancy period, they should not do. All other people can do this. First, the first exercise will be, for each and every movement, you have to do two things. Breathe in and breathe out, number one. And for each and every movement, you have to tell Om Kali, Om Kali. So, each and every movement, breathe in and breathe out with Om Kali, without making sound. Within the inside, you have to tell Om Kali, Om Kali. The first exercise is this one. Do this 10 to 20 times. And then sideways. Do this 10 to 20 times. And then third one. Fourth one. Breathe in and breathe out with Om Kali. After 5 times or 10 times, this side first, this side breathe in and this side breathe out. After 10 times, this side breathe in and this side breathe out. Next one. First 10, this side breathe in, this side breathe out. And the next 10, this side breathe in and the other side breathe out. Next one, hand swinging. Next one. Next one. Then this one, you have to swing the arm like this. Swing both arms like this. Clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Swing those arms like this. Next one. Next one, neck exercise. After doing all these things, again we'll go and move the body without moving the head. In the first movement, we moved the head also. Now the head should not be moved. Next one, we are doing the exercise for the legs. Breathe in and breathe out. While going down, breathe out with the Om Kali. Do it 10 to 20 times. And the next one, fold the hands like this and jump. It is called, just like skipping, but having the hand like this, we will strengthen our hands. And the jumping, need not be more than 1 inch or 2 inches. Don't do more than that. This can be done minimum 100 times, 50 times, 100 times, 200 times, like that. It can be repeated, and you need not jump more than 2 inches. Whatever may be the number of times you are doing, that there won't be any respiration difficulty. The respiration will not be fast. The breathing will not be fast. Okay. Just sit in this posture for 2 to 3 minutes to become the breathing normal, and then we are going to do this Viparita Karani Asana. This is the modified posture of Sarvangasana. When doing Sarvangasana, you have to do the counter posture Matsyasana. But for this Sarvangasana, counter posture not necessary, and any person of any age we can do with the help of the chair. So we will be in an inverted posture, legs will be here, hip will be here, and the back side of the neck will be on the floor. In the posture, concentrate on, close your eyes and concentrate on your thyroid gland. Tell internally, Om Kali, Om Kali. The breathing should be normal. Breathing should be normal. Okay. So I am going to do now Viparita Karani Asana. Now we are going to do the Viparita Karani Asana with the help of the chair. In this movement, we have to be in the posture minimum 6 minutes to 20 minutes you can do, and then counter posture not necessary. Next one we will be doing this Shanti Asana or Savasana. Now I am going to do this Viparita Karani Asana. This is the posture. You have to hold the chair like this and concentrate on your thyroid gland. Close your eyes. Breathing should be normal. Internally chant Om Kali for 6 minutes. Maximum 20 minutes you have to maintain. This is very easy because our weight is borne by the chair. Without any movement, just close your eyes, concentrate on the thyroid gland and tell the mantra inside without moving the lips. Be in this posture minimum 6 minutes to 20 minutes. Okay. Next one, we are going to do Shantyasana or Savasana. In Shantyasana or Savasana, you have to lie on the floor using the mat like this. You should not do on the empty floor without mat. So just very relaxing without any difficulty. You must completely relax your body and tell internally, call your legs as if it is a separate person. My dear legs, I have strengthened you. Take rest now. My dear hip, internal organs. One intestine, lower intestine, the rectum. I have strengthened you. Take rest now. My dear kidney and adrenal glands. I have strengthened you. Take rest now. Then liver, gallbladder, spleen and pancreas and stomach. And then heart, both the lungs, both shoulders, both hands, spinal cord, thyroid gland, neck, muscles and nervous system, mouth and teeth, ear, nose, eyes and brain. You have to call each organ as if it is a separate person and tell that organ I have strengthened you, take rest now. You reach the brain by calling one by one or each organ one by one. After reaching the brain, you can tell Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti eternally. If any of your organ is affected, say your heart is weak, you have to tell the heart minimum 50 times, my dear heart, I have strengthened you, take rest now. The same procedure can be adopted for each and every organ inside the body. After reaching the brain, tell Om Shanti. This process will take minimum 5 to 10 minutes, and then subsequently you have to get up very slowly by moving the hands, by moving left and right, and then you have to get up and sit. Sit in the Sukhasana or Padmasana or just like this. Now we are going to do the Sukha Pranayama. Just breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. What to do? Exhale through the left nostril, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. While inhaling, you have to maintain the count. Slowly count up to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On finishing 7, the lung must be fully filled. And exhale through the next nostril, other nostril, by counting 14. Inhale 7, exhale 14. In the beginning, you cannot achieve 7:14. You can reach up to 10 or 12. Okay, no problem. Please continue. In 1 month time, you will reach 7:14. What to do? Left nostril, exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. The process must be continued for minimum 10 minutes. Don't stop the breathing because it needs a yoga master's advice. Without any yoga master near you, you should not try to stop the breathing. So this is inhale and exhale. Please do it for 10 minutes. And after finishing this, just sit here and chant the same mantra, Om Kali, Om Kali, Om Kali for 10 minutes. In this area, this is called the third eye. You will see some colors in the beginning and some natural sceneries. The third one, you will see your God and saints. And the fourth one, you will see a light of sun, like this. And the last one will be a golden color, you will see. This step you will reach every 6 months or every third month, or even it may take 1 year, according to your regular practice. That's all. This is Power Yoga simplified. This will take, including pranayama and meditation, it will take maximum 45 minutes only. This is the pranayama and meditation, 10 minutes. 25 minutes you are going to allot for this Power Yoga. You can do each and every movement of Power Yoga 5 times, 10 times or 20 times according to your this physical condition and time. What time you can allot for the daily practice. Thank you very much. Please practice it, and every 16th day your body will get transformed. All the excess flesh will go and you will have a slim and perfect body without any disease. Thank you very much.